Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel, and I am feeling better, so I want to thank everybody who sent their well wishes. I'm about, I'd say 80%. I'm back to about 80%. There's a little bit of gunk, but nothing bad. Nothing good. I got my voice back, I think. I got my voice back really good yesterday. Yeah, probably was yesterday. So today we are going to do a palette bingo. I need to get makeup on. I've got errands to run today, so I am going out and about. So if you saw my makeup basket, I pulled 3 full-size palettes to use this couple weeks or however long I decide to do it. I've got the Carly Bible palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Here it is. Pretty. I got Natasha Denona. This is the Retro Glam. There it is. And then I've got Suva, S-U-V-A, Suva Beauty, the Rose Period. Take the plastic out. And there we go. Since they are all full-size palettes, I'm going to choose 2 colors from each, and we will go from there. So I'm going to pull up my Pretty Random app. Okay, so I'll do Suva first. 12 shades. So yeah, I'm going to go across the top and then to the bottom. I'm not going to shake. It does better if I tap it. Number 4. Our first number is number 4. That's Sicily. And to help me remember, we are going to swatch them. Sicily. Let me get out a real quick, grab a makeup wipe. Didn't think about that. Okay. Sicily. There we go. And let's do the next number. 10. 10 is right below Sicily. Okay, that is Floral. Ooh, very pretty. Rosy, pinky, those are my favorite. Floral. Okay, so that is the Suva palette. Let's go into Retro Glam. We've got 15. Let me reset my numbers here. Okay, so there we go. Number 7. 7 is Sage, which is that color right there. This is going to be a nice springy look. There we go, Sage. Rub off my finger, and then 10. 10 is this one over here. Good. Faye. That's a nice neutral. Well, it's got a green undertone to it. It's olive green. And then last, we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills. 14 shadows. Yep. 14. Okay. 10. Oh, good. Chai. So we have a brown. Chai. And then 8. Oh, good. Bear. The makeup gods are working with me today. There we go. Perfect. All right. Thank you, phone. Put you away. That is a perfect. We can do with that. Let me open my palettes up and have them right here. I cleaned my makeup brushes, my eyeshadow brushes, all clean, and we are ready to go. So I am going to start. I've curled my hair, as you see. I haven't curled my hair in a long time with curlers. I don't know how it's going to look, but they're up there. Okay, I'm going to start with Bear right here. And I'm going to put that all over. This is an older palette. I want to show you, it is getting dusty. It's getting dusty. I can't remember if it was dusty before. I haven't used it in a long time. I did use it the other day. And it was doing the same thing. There we go. A little dusty. Makeup. I need my color switch. Now, I have Chai out of this palette. So I'm going to go ahead. Same brush. Chai. It's a little dusty too. I think that may be how they always have been. They've always been a bit dusty. I haven't been doing a lot of talking, so it sounds like my voice is going to go again. Sorry about that. I thought I had my voice back. I'm not sick. My head is not congested. I do feel a little bit still in my chest. My throat was hurting yesterday. But I thought I had my voice back, but I guess I don't. Okay, I think I'm done with that palette. Let me find I think this is the plastic for it. Yeah. Yep. Let's put Carly Bubble back here. Now, I have Faye and Sage and Cicely and Floral. I am going to go with Floral, and I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, a little fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go into Floral, not Coral, Floral, and work this in my crease. Like so. And blend it up as I go. It looks very pinky, doesn't it? Okay. Alrighty. I think that's pretty good. And I have eyeshadow on my blue jeans. There we go. From my hand. Next, let's go. I'm going to go into my Natasha Denona palette, and I'm going to go into Sage, that green. We'll get it on a little smaller brush. This is my reference number 12, and I'm going to put it in my outer V. Just like that. Clean that out. And then I am, you know what? There is not a shimmer in this look. There'll be a no shimmer eye look today. How about that? Just realized that. I'm going to go into Cicely, which is that one. I'm going to switch brushes. I don't want to mix them here. I'm going to put Cicely next to Sage. Wipe that out. I'm going to go into Faye, which is this one, and Faye's going on the inner. I'm going to take my detail brush, and I think I'm going to go into Floral, which is that deep wine shade. I'm going to go part way under my eye. We'll wipe that out. I'm going to go into Sage, which is the green, and put it in the front. This is not my favorite eye look, mainly because there's no shimmer in it. There is no shimmer in this. That's bugging me. I will add shimmer, but not in this video. Okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to finish my eyes by putting on liner and mascara, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. What I did was, well, I took my hair down, so I got some curly hair going on here. Those hot rollers really curled my hair. I put in my waterline this, it's a ABH Cosmetics pencil in shimmer teal. I put that in the waterline. My Tarteist mascara on my lashes. I didn't do anything else to my eyes. That's it. This is not my favorite look, but it is what it is. And by the way, my lips have a Kylie Jenner Sweater Weather liner with Huda Beauty Honeymoon on my lips. Yeah. Like I said, not my favorite eye look. I do like the colors. If I had some lighter colors to go with it, definitely some shimmer. I love a shimmer. This is an entire matte eye except for the shimmer eyeliner. But other than that, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I'll probably zhuzh it up a little before I continue on. But for this video, this is what it is. This was the bingo. Not my favorite. Not the worst look. Not the best look. But it's okay. I like it. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel out a whole lot. And if you did really enjoy it and you're not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would sign up. Just hit that subscribe button and we can become friends. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.